everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to activate the NSFW chat in CrushOn AI. So first, go to the CrushOn AI website and then just log in your account. And then once you're done, it's pretty simple on how to activate it. So just go to this unfiltered button right here and then just switch it to on, and then it will prompt you with this message right here that says enabling the switch, you'll gain access to the unfiltered content. Are you sure you want to proceed? And then just click on confirm, and then the website will give you more options that has an unfiltered icon or logo, which means that you can chat, or which means you can have unrestricted chats with this character. So for example, let's do this one, Ari, and then you can ask the question, is this chat NSFW? Something like that, and just click on send. And then as you can see, the bot replied, yes, this chat is NSFW. Please be aware that the content may contain mature themes and explicit language. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to enable the NSFW chat in CrushOn AI. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.